Hello everyone, if you are here, chances are you already know about Synology and ONLYOFFICE docs. To quickly recap, Synology is a fantastic network-attached solution, perfect for home users and small businesses. And ONLYOFFICE docs, on the other hand, is an amazing document editing suite for creating, editing your documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and even PDF files. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect these two beautiful products so you can edit the files directly in your private cloud. So let's dive in. I'm using a Synology NAS 223 released in February 2023. It's equipped with a quad-core CPU and 2 gigs of non-expandable memory, but don't worry, this is more than enough to run ONLYOFFICE docs. The app only consumes resources when opening or closing your documents, so in most home setups it won't use more than half a gig of memory. If you are planning to integrate it with a document management system like OwnCloud or Nextcloud, you will also need some additional resources for those containers. My Synology device is running DSM operating system version 7.2 with all updates installed. The first step is to open the Package Center, search for an application called Container Manager and install it. This software lets you easily run Docker containers on your NAS without installing any third-party software. Actually, there are two ways to install ONLYOFFICE docs on your Synology. The first is enabling SSH access and following the official ONLYOFFICE guides, but that's for users who enjoy working with terminal commands. And today we won't be connecting to our Synology device over SSH. Instead, we'll use the Container Manager software and its graphical interface to get everything set up. Once Container Manager is installed, we'll download the Docker image for ONLYOFFICE docs. Go to the Registry tab in Container Manager, type ONLYOFFICE in the search bar, and look for the image called ONLYOFFICE/document server. Click on it, select a tag to choose a specific version and click Download. The changelog for all available versions is always available in the official ONLYOFFICE GitHub repo, but I would recommend to use the tag Latest. There are also a few commercial versions available, like ONLYOFFICE DE, which stands for Developer Edition, and EE, which stands for Enterprise Edition. However, if you don't need a commercial license, simply download the free Community Edition. Once the download is complete, you can create a new container from this freshly downloaded image. To create a container, right-click the downloaded image and select Run. A setup window will appear where we'll configure the container. Change the container name if you'd like. Then, map port 4433 on your Synology to the container's default HTTPS port and port 8080 to HTTP port. Mount directories inside the container to shared folders on your NAS. I'm going to mount the logs and data folders only, but if you'd like, you can find all the recommended paths in the ONLYOFFICE Help Center. And last but not least, environment variables. Adjust these based on your needs. Since we are using the Community Edition, we can remove the Product Edition field. Once done, click Apply to finish the setup. And now we can use the Containers menu and open built-in terminal to check what's happening inside and ensure that the services have started without any errors. The supervisor has started and Nginx is active. This means everything should be working now. So the container is now up and running. To check if everything is working, open a browser and go to your Synology's IP address, followed by the port number you set earlier. If you can see the ONLYOFFICE Docs welcome page, congratulations, the Community Edition is successfully installed. Even without SSH, we can send commands directly through the Container Manager interface. Just copy the command supervisorctl start ds example and launch in your terminal with that command. This starts the example service, which lets us create test documents. Now let's go back to the example web page. You can drag and drop a file from your local machine to edit it, or create a new doc, spreadsheet, presentation, or PDF file. Now you can connect ONLYOFFICE Docs to any document management system, and if you are running both ONLYOFFICE Docs and your DMS's containers, ensure they can communicate with each other in your local network. And that's it. You now have ONLYOFFICE Docs running on your Synology device, ready to handle all your document editing needs. Thanks for watching.